So I'm going to talk about type 2 diabetes. I'm not going to talk about type 1 diabetes, but I know that right now we have proven evidence of massive amount of people who intermittent fasting has completely reversed their type 2 diabetes. And there's massive amounts of reports. I mean, person after person who have lost weight, their blood sugar levels have improved significantly, and they no longer need to take their diabetes medications. I personally was pre-diabetic, and when I was waking up in the morning before I started doing intermittent fasting, my blood sugar was anywhere from 95 to about 102. And now when I wake up and do my blood sugar, I am probably around 70 to 80, which is phenomenal. And what happens is that your body finally gets a chance to heal itself. So I'm a huge proponent of intermittent fasting, and there's too many ways that you can heal it. I've seen it for people who have type 2 diabetes.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.